Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the English translator feature on the AI Chatbot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, then click on the view all button in the upper right corner, and then you should tap on the English translator feature in the second row in the middle of the screen. Now you should type in the sentence that you would like to translate to English. So English is the target language in this case, so type in your sentence in your source language. Tap on send, and here you will be able to find the translation. If you want to regenerate the response, click on the regenerate button on the left side below your answer. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.